Hi viewers, in this video we are going to learn how to fix the saving changes not permitted issue. So the issue is, go to the table, and this table I'm going to add some column, and the column is full name. Data type is char, and uncheck and then right click and save. So here the issue I'm facing, saving changes is not permitted, and the changes you have made required the following table to be dropped at first, and in recreate you have either made changes to be table that cannot be recreated or enable the option. So here tell me, go to this option, prevent saving changes that required the table to be recreated. Okay, so let's go to this option. Now go to this tool, then option, then go to the designer, and this is the option, prevent saving changes that require table recreation. So now uncheck this option and then click the OK button, and again right click on the table and save the changes. So now it's done. So the issue is fixed. If you like the video, please subscribe. Code Soft.